Hey guys, welcome back with another student video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you get refund on Cash App. So if you have sent money to any account mistakenly, so how can you get refund? So there are two ways to get refund. The first method is, guys, you may request your recipient to refund your money, and then guys you can get back your money within 10 working days. After this, guys, the second method is, guys, you may open the Cash App account and you may log in your Cash App account, and then guys, first of all, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, you may click here on your profile icon, and then you may scroll it down, and here is the option of support, and then you may click here, and guys you may scroll it down, and here the option of chat. So you may click here and you may contact to Cash App support team from here. So you may tell them your problem and ask them to refund your money. So you may tell them complete details and send them your recipient account, your detail, and after verification they will try to cancel your transaction and refund you back, but it may take some time because when transaction completed they may not be reversed. So you may tell all these problems to Cash App support team, and they will solve it as soon as possible. So by all this method you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.